The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dallas County, southeastern Cedar County, Polk County, northeastern Dade County until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of Hermitage to near Fairplay to 8 miles south of Stockton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Bolivar, Stockton Lake, Stockton State Park, Bennett Springs State Park, Buffalo, Stockton, Conway, Polk, Pleasant Hope, Urbana, Morrisville, Danville, Halfway, Lewisburg, Aldridge, Umberview Heights, Windyville, March, Tunis, King Hill. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 110 and 111. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Cedar, Dade, Dallas, and Polk.
It's virtually